Okay, for today's lesson, we're going to be talking about the connection between fractions, decimals, and percent, and how they're actually all the same thing, just represented different in math depending on what we're doing. So if we look at a fraction, we go back to our fraction lesson, and I draw a circle here. And let's say I cut that pie or pizza or whatever it is into 4 different slices, and I fill up, let's say 3 of them are there. We would know that fraction would be 3/4. And let's just get rid of these 2 dots that have come in from outer space. Apologize about that. And how that would equivalent be into a fraction is this. You take the 3/4 and you think to yourself, let's take the fraction to percent first. How many times does 4 go into 100? Percent is from the French word per cent. Cent means 100. So it's always per 100. So how many times does 4 go into 100 if you use your math brain? You're going to multiply it by 25. Do the same thing to the top, which will give you 75 up here. Once you've got 75 per 100, you can then instantly change that into 75%. So 3/4 is 75% of the pizza or the cake or the pie is left. Now, simply to write that as a decimal now, you put that down. Some teachers like to put 0. If the 0 is there, it doesn't really matter. 0 is nothing. Decimal 7/5. And that's it. That's the connection between decimals, percent, and fractions. This was just a basic introduction and review.